Tonight we're learning new information about the young suspects in a crime that shocked everyone.
Months after a musician was shot and killed at his West Nashville home, the teenagers accused of his death appeared in court.
News Channel 5's Matthew Torres was at the courthouse as their attorneys fought to get them out on bond today. Matthew.
And Rory, keep in mind, because of their ages, our cameras were not allowed in the courtroom. Attorneys for 3 of the 5 teen suspects argued their clients should be released out on bond, but under strict guidelines. But the state says not so fast, using new information we learned from the juvenile detention center where the defendants are being held. Of the 3 defendants, 1 name was publicly released by Metro Police. That's 16-year-old Decorius Wright. He's accused of helping plan a robbery with 4 other kids and firing the shot that killed musician Kyle Yorlets at his West Nashville home in February. Wright's family and friends were in the courtroom as the prosecutor showed video from outside of his cell. The center's director testified that Wright was one of several boys who surrounded a staff member and intimidated him into handing over the key fob. Meanwhile, his 13-year-old co-defendant could be seen pretending to punch that same staff member and going behind him and taking the radio and smashing it into the ground. They're accused of trying to escape the facility after using the key fob to enter a different section to attack another inmate. Now, combined, the 2 defendants had 75 disciplinary reports against them since they were admitted in February, from gang fights to assaulting staff and failing to follow directions to having contraband. The state says their behavior alone in custody should be of concern to the community. The judge will decide what to do about their bonds later on.